black, yo. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Suzie. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're new, and let's get into it. So first things first, of course you're going to need your phone. I'm going to take 2 tripods because that's going to hold my camera, and then I'm going to take one to hold my phone. You can have one of these little Bluetooth clickers. This was literally my best friend, but not anymore because I have a app I'm going to put y'all on right quick, y'all. I don't know if a lot of people know about this, but Lens Buddy, I'm gonna drop it down below. No, this video is not sponsored. It is a free app. And what I like about it is it automatically take portrait photos. Like when you know how when you're on the iPhone and you trying to get your portrait and it keeps saying move close, move further away. This app's capture portrait photos like right away. You're gonna need a location. If you have like a portable light, I don't have one yet. If anybody wanna buy me one, Christmas is coming around the corner. Y'all wanna buy me a portable light? You're gonna need your outfits. I'm actually going to buy me it's like a portable changing room, like where you can literally zip it up. It's like a little tent almost. You can zip it up, go in and change your clothes or whatever. But I feel like that is very good to have. These thingies to hold your phone. I forgot what they called. If you know, comment down below. But I got 2 of them. I like this one better. So yeah, I'm finna go and do my makeup real quick and I'll be back and we're gonna be headed out. Get into it, yeah. Get into it. Nah, but y'all, makeup is done. If y'all want a makeup tutorial, let me know. This is my updated look that I would wear when I wear makeup. Y'all notice I haven't been wearing makeup like that because it's just like I be so over it. But this one is really quick. I say like 10-15 minutes tops, and it's natural and it's photo ready. I got on my first outfit, y'all. I actually made this on my channel. It'll be up by the time this video is up. So it's a little short set that I made out of one of my man's shirts. But this is the fit. I'm gonna wear some thigh-high boots. Let me show y'all. So I'm gonna wear these boots right here. Cute. Match it up with the outfit. I'm about to pack my bag, and I did tell y'all in the beginning we was only gonna do 2 outfits, but I'm gonna do 3. I got my locations, and yeah, we about to head out after I pack my bag. And I'm not gonna pack my bag with y'all, or do y'all want to come? I don't know. Yeah, I think y'all gotta wait till y'all see the. Yeah, y'all gotta wait. Yeah. I'm just talking. I'm just excited because I look so good. I mean, coming through. And y'all, I'm gonna wear a little white bag with this to throw it off. And y'all don't forget, if y'all got a camera and y'all recording for y'all YouTube channel, bring y'all battery. Extra battery is always needed. But okay, let's go. Okay, yeah. So while I was at home, I was doing my makeup. I was trying to listen to the Summer Walker album. It's just like, I don't know, what's y'all favorite song? Because like when I was listening, it just made me feel sad for her, like made me feel bad for her or something. I'm just like, girl, London, what did you do? Like, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I just don't know. But comment down below and let me know what y'all think about the album. Let me know. And y'all, I haven't listened at the full album. I guess it gotta grow on me or something. But yeah, what's y'all favorite song? So we're here at our first location. It feels so good out here to be in Chicago and to also be November out here. Like, it feels really good. Maybe because I got this coat on. Oh, excuse me. But we're at our first location. Make sure y'all ladies, if y'all out doing this, make sure y'all got y'all some mace, a taser, a gun, all 3, because you know we got some weirdos, some creeps out here in the world. But yeah, let's go. I'm excited. This is my first time. Okay. Ooh, look at those, are cute. But y'all, that's not my location. I'm gonna go up here on, it's a lot of traffic, it's noisy. Hopefully y'all can hear me. But I'm gonna go up here on the this little thing here. I'm gonna take some pictures on the stairs and also up at the top. So let's get it. Y'all, people gonna be looking, but y'all can't worry about everybody. But just pretend they're not there. I'm gonna set my camera up. The sun is perfect right here. Oh my God. Period. Y'all, I am the queen. And y'all, it's so loud right here. I hope y'all can hear me, but I am the queen of telling somebody to wipe their camera off. So make sure y'all wipe y'all cameras off before y'all start taking y'all pictures, so y'all can get y'all the best photos, okay? I'm gonna move my bag out the way, but I just want to show y'all how I set up my camera. You just put it on here, of course, make it face towards you. You're gonna open up your Lens Buddy app. That's what I'll be using. I didn't bring my Bluetooth remote, but if y'all want to use that, y'all can. Okay, y'all, so that looks about right, and we're gonna go ahead from there. Okay, y'all, so for this outfit, I just seen that the stairs has holes in it, and I got heels on, so hopefully I can stand up and take some pictures on here, but if not, then yeah. So we're gonna go from here. So we got our countdown going for our picture, then we're gonna head up over here. Okay, y'all, so this is how some of the pictures came out. Really cute. I love them. Let me know what y'all think. So y'all, this is me. I'm going to check and make sure that the picture is where it's supposed to be. Usually you want it like the camera to come to like right here. So we're gonna try this again. Look, sis, prime example of a creep. Y'all thought I was lying. Bagging back at a red light, like, bro, what are you doing? Like, people be so thirsty. Like, no, I'm good, shorty. I'm good, thank you. Sis, whatever you do when you out here alone, make sure you aware of your surroundings at all times. Okay, y'all, so that's gonna be it for y'all right now, but y'all see, y'all get the picture. I have enough photos in this spot. I don't want to go up there because I don't want to fall and break an ankle and be stuck up there. So we're gonna go change outfits and then go to our next location. Now, why is B still out? Like, he really want to get in here. Get your ass back. New outfit. Sun is being my best friend today. The universe is here. Ooh, y'all, I like these glasses. Look like a little teacher, but the universe is here for me, y'all. The sun is like everything for these pictures. But this is the next location right here. This white and blue wall. I know y'all like, what the hell? But yes, stuff simple as this. I'm gonna take some pictures right here. And y'all, I got this thing on my purse and I ain't got no scissors with me, so I can't hold it. I'm a little blue, but you know, it is what it is. Y'all, like, on some real shit, real reason that I'm recording and trying to take my own pictures, because when everybody else take my pictures, they don't be how I want them to be. I don't know if people be hating on me or what, or they just can't take pictures, but I don't like that. Okay, y'all, so I like that angle, but the sun is like shining this way. So these pictures are going to be a little more on the darker side, but that's okay because they still look good and I look good with them. I'm going to take some pictures, some of the pictures with the glasses and some without. But yeah, if y'all want to stay, y'all can stay. I'll let y'all stay a little longer for this one. But yeah. And y'all, by the way, my battery did die, so I am on my second battery. So don't forget y'all battery if y'all recording. So babes, this is outfit number 2. Let me know which one is y'all favorite. The last one is definitely my favorite, so stay tuned so y'all can see. Here I'm setting up for a couple close-ups. I'm gonna go to my next location in a second. I'm gonna take a couple more pictures here. Okay, baby boos, to the third location we go. Y'all, this outfit is so cute. I love this outfit, but y'all can't see it until we get to where we going. Like, this one is really cute. when y'all see this outfit, then make sure y'all comment down below and let me know which outfit was y'all favorite. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. And make sure y'all stay tuned all the way to the end of the video because it's lit. It's a little busy up here at Walmart, so I'm not gonna take y'all with me. I'm not gonna take the camera with me, but I'm gonna go take my pictures real quick. Over here, I just don't want to set up both my tripods and people just be, you know, walking. Hey y'all, so I really like these pictures. I just looked at them. They came out really good. I am loving it. I'm finna show y'all where I took the picture. If y'all go to Walmart and y'all see that orange wall right there, that's where I took my pictures. And I ain't want nobody run my camera and stuff over, not paying attention and speeding in the parking lot, because it would have been one, I mean, you know, we would have had to go. But because this car right here actually came through while I was, you know, recording. But luckily it was a big body Benz right there. Talking about me, y'all. I was the big body Benz, so she seen me. But anyways, y'all, this was really fun. I came out here at like 11 and it's 1, so 2 hours. So that's not bad at all. I'm definitely will be doing this again. Let me know if y'all want more videos like this. But I do want to show y'all my outfit real quick because this is so cute. And yes, it's Walmart special. I had to walk back so far. Let me see. With the Yeezys on. What's that girl? Oh my god, yeah, I don't know her name on TikTok, but she be like, drip check, make your bitch sweat. Ooh, hey, she's so funny. I love her. She is hilarious. She do like the food reviews. But y'all, I'm hungry. We don't got nothing at the house to cook right now, so guess what? I left my actual purse at home, so I gotta go back home and then come back out to get some food to cook for later on. But y'all, I have fun. I hope y'all have fun. This video was really, like, when I say really fun to make, I'm fucking with it. So y'all gonna be seeing more of these. Well, if y'all want to see more of these, then I make more. But if not, then that's cool too. But let me know what y'all think. Let me know which outfit was y'all favorite. This one right here was definitely my favorite. I ain't even gonna lie. And then number 2 would be Army Petite in orange. That was super cute, the one I made. And then the Tom and Jerry one, that was like mediocre. But yeah, that's literally all I have, y'all. So hit the bell button to be notified when I post. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much. I'm so excited for the things that I have to bring and offer to you guys for my channel. But I love you guys. Bye.